Still playing bloody coin combo. And I mean this one for a few dollars, but I just hit this line here at $27. Money take me, just in case I had absolute zero content this morning. So, anyway, good luck to me. I want to win them pots. All three together would be nice. Right, I got the 2 pots closing, the Supreme games. I need to win big, but also I need some re-triggers. Just 4 games left. I'm making a load of noise over $2.70. Oh, I need some re-triggers. Two left. Come on, coin combo, don't let me down. No extra games at all. $5.40 on that. I'm gonna head back to the room with tail between my legs in a second. Last go, unless a miracle happens and I get extra goes. Oh, I've got a free game there. Keeps me in it. No extra goes. Disappointing to say the least. For what I put in anyway. 37.47. Oh well. Oh, apologies for the lack of filming this morning. I haven't been playing the slots much. Been chilling in the room, packing up. Ready to go this evening. Now, somebody asked me where the pool was or what the pool was like, so that's the casino that way. That's towards the tram and Aria, and apparently the pool is this way. So I'll go through these doors. Push instead of pull, obviously. And here we are, right out by the pool. So just a few minutes walk. Come out, it's blowing an absolute gale actually. Surprised if there's anybody out here. It's very warm. That's the south pool. And that takes us down to the east pool, the bit in the sun, which is closed. I'm sure, but one of them's a Nomad pool somewhere, but I understand that wasn't open. There again, I might be talking rubbish there. And there's a north pool down there, so we'll go and have a quick look at that. This is the North Pole, and this is in the sun. That's got the most people in it. I probably don't want to film too much of people sunbathing. I don't want to get accused of perving. So if I can, I will take a photo inside. So the pool bar, and looking out towards Aria, and up there is the tram station. Very pleasant. Wish I was here much longer. Have some time by the pool. I bought my shorts but didn't really fit it in. Just one thing to note, the comfy chairs and parasols are reserved, i.e. you got to pay for them. And the freebies are the cheapies, and not as blush and no umbrellas. Money talks. Now this is a pool that's closed, and I believe this is I could be wrong, exclusive for Nomad guests, but I've no idea where it's closed. There's a lifeguard there and there's water in the pool. I do notice this pool does have a few parasols that aren't on the paid for seats. You probably have to be up really early to grab those. Out there, outside Tom's Watch Bar. I would be enjoying the sunshine, but the sun's gone over now in the shade. But quite enjoyed that. I kind of ordered the wrong thing though. I ordered buffalo, which was a bit hot and spicy, and I'm on a plane tonight, so I only ate half of it. Don't want to stink everybody up. This is one of these live play videos, just in case I have absolutely zero content to put in. I put $20 in, $1 a bet, nothing exciting. Just trying to chase a bit of a major. Wow, okay. I could have planned that better if I tried. So 3 minis, 20, 30, $60 already. Okay. There's definitely room for a major there. $20, big numbers attract big numbers, come on. I can't believe I just started a bit of live play just to make some content and got that. Come on, give me the major. That'll make my day and week. Oops, last go. Dramatic pause. Major. Oh, $15. I don't mind that. For $1 bet, those are absolutely massive numbers in there. Come on, big one. $10. Spinning this one out. See what we can get. There we go. Liking the look of that. Well, winner indeed before it even totals up. Literally put $20 in. It was my second go. Oh, brilliant. $109. Very happy with that. Grumpy is not so grumpy. A double closure here on the Peacock Coin combo, the blue pot and the jackpot feature of so let's see first if we can get it upgraded. One off a minor. What do we have there? Mini, of course, didn't even get it upgraded. Now I have the feature. The Ultra. Respin or re-triggers are required. 8-10 on that one. A couple of extra free games. Two more. Extra free game there. That was a bit of a double press by me. I always find the Peacocks pay less in the feature than they do in the main game. I wouldn't say no to a whole screen of them. Couple of extras. Another two more. Oh, and a pot closure. Let's try for the biggie again. more for an upgrade. Straight into the Mini. I've lost my hand pay touch on this game. More left still. $16.20, and that's a nice one. Just jog it along. And potentially our last game coming up. Double tap there for $5. So that's not bad, is it? $68 or $9. Not bad at all. I have no idea what this machine is. I was tempted by the Mini, which seems to be almost a bursting point. So it's Legends Deluxe 5 Dragons. Oh my god, I hate decisions. I always pick the wrong one. Let's go the one with 13 in it. Why? Because I want to. Oh my god, what the hell are we doing here? Well, let's have 8 times with 43 games. So it looks nice. Nice and unlikely. Oh, 8. Oh. 15 games at 8x. See what we can do. I have no idea how you can win that Mini, by the way. I was lured by the light. Looked like a moth. So that's what tops the pots up. Is that a re-trigger? Oh, 15 more games, okay. So any wins should be 8x. Is that a bit American, 8x? Should I not be saying 8 times? Or when in America. Quite a long bonus, do apologise, but desperate for some content because there wasn't really winning much today. I haven't been playing that much, to be honest. What have we got there? Oh, $16 there somewhere. The 5 kings with an 8 times multiplier. And something around $50 would sort me out. Feel free to skip towards the end if you want. Still in New York, by the way. I haven't updated you where I was. I'm trying to talk much louder. There's the microphone problems with my phone on these vlogs. A lot of people have been commenting how quiet the voice comes out. Believe you and me, I'm a loudmouth, so you should be able to hear me. Some more wins, halfway. I'll fill that Mini up. Oh, put a couple more cents in it. Right, it needs to liven up a bit here. Probably going to head back to my room after this, so I'm pretty tired. I want an afternoon kit before sort the last of my stuff out before I head to the airport. I did cheat as well for the flight home. I have upgraded. There was a rewards premium seat and that cost £70 in tax and some of our Virgin miles. What's that? About $16, I think, is all the queens in that top left. I don't think all wins are multiplied by 8. It's just that if you get the multiplier, it will be 8. Oh, we have 7 left. Well, that's of course it kindly re-triggers again. Got the old video camera out. I think I've won a jackpot, but I'm a lower roller. $1.60 a bet though. That's quite high for me. Last go, I think. And there we are, $55. Apparently a slap in the face. So you got your Tito, your money that you need to cash out, and if no one's played slots before, you get paid out in a ticket, and then you have to go and find a redeem machine. Who's been in the same situation I get in all the time? It's like, can't bloody find one when you want one, especially if you're not that over familiar with the casino in question. You kind of like got to look for the glowing lights, but however, these days all the machines have got glowing lights. I don't have many machines, obviously. I don't want you to win. I think there's one over there. I normally get behind someone that dithers on it. Oh, there we are, look. And if you didn't know what to do, you get your Tito, which is your ticket in, ticket out. Place it in the machine and press dispense, and it'll pay you out in cash, and any coins are just paid out in another Tito. They don't actually dispense coins anymore. As they say, that's a wrap. It's all over. Time to check in for the long flight home, all the way back to England and London. I've got about 2 3/4 hours. Going to check in nice and early, so to go and see if it's a big queue, or then head for security, because that's often a pain here. So anyway, if this is the last bit I do, thanks a lot for watching. I'm hoping it's been of some interest. I know I've had some audio quality issues, but I'm hoping to get that sorted out in the future with this phone. Anyway, thanks very much, and catch you soon.